Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab, and today we've got a very special unboxing actually. So I suggest we immediately get started by unpacking the thing. Shows you can lift to open. Oh, okay. That's not really. I'll lift here to open. Aha. Okay. I'll just cut it. Oh. This is very strong plastic actually. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. It's a box. Very nice box actually. And it's, there you go, that's, I think it's supposed to open like this. Damn, it's a strong box. Alright, so as you can see, OnePlus community. Let's get it out of here. It's the new OnePlus 6T. And a few other things. Some covers. So yeah, I bought the new OnePlus 6T because right now I have the OnePlus 2 and it's a nice phone, but it's getting a little outdated here and there. The battery is getting worse and worse, and you know, the overall performance is okay, but it's not the greatest. So let's actually cut the plastic so you can open this. That went well. There you go. So it's the midnight black color of the OnePlus 6T. 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal flash memory. So it should be plenty. Nice OnePlus community bracelet or something for the box. Let's wait for the airplane to fly by. There you go. So let's open it. Nice and steady. There's the phone. Damn, it looks good. To maximize. Yeah, sure. Well, it's already on there, so. So how do we take it out of the box then? I can't take it out of the box. Oh, that's the charger. Invitation letter. Oh, that's going to be interesting. So, shit, I can't take it out of the box. Oh, there you go. So let's just put this back where it belongs. Wire. So, OnePlus 6T. It feels really good. The NFC sensor is located at the center of the dual camera hub. Alright, cool. So let me just remove this very ugly sticker. And that's try to fit it somewhere. There you go. So, OnePlus 6T, first thoughts. It's a nice phone. Big phone, but I like it. So, let's remove this and place it over here. Remove this one, place it over here. It's the Midnight Black edition, and it looks really nice. It feels really good in the hand, and yeah, it's overall a really nice phone. Nice clicky buttons, and of course the fingerprint sensors built in into the screen, and that's very exciting because yeah, it's new technology, and yeah, I like that. So let me open this. I'll open. I don't think I will need to open this because I'm not going to use this one straight away. I'll use the red one because yeah, I like that one better. So open this one. It's red silicon. Oh, this is very nice. The inside is coated with soft Alcantara-like thing. Oh, it feels really good. Nice and soft. So let's put it in there. I guess that's this side first, and then the rest. Nice. Oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. This feels really good. Oh. Yeah. It's soft, but it's also grippy at the same time, and that's what I was a little bit scared about, that it was too grippy, so that when you take it out of your pocket, your wallet comes with it and your inside pocket comes with it as well. But I don't think that will be the case. So let's turn it on for the first time. No, it's not going to turn on. I think we have to connect the charger. So let's see what this invitation letter is all about. A word from Peter, OnePlus CEO. Open. To welcome you to the OnePlus community. Well, thanks, but I already was in there. Well, that's a really nice letter. Thanks, Pete, for the awesome phone. So, charger. Of course, very handy to have one around. This is the dash charger. So the output is 5 volt at 4 amps, which is quite a lot, 20 watts actually. So let's unwrap it. And top part. Like that. Nice cable with cable clip, or how you are willing to call it. USB-C, of course, because USB-C rocks, and that's perfect. The only thing I don't like, and that's what the OnePlus 2 had, is that this end of the USB connector is not reversible, so it's one way, and it might be because of dash charge that the amperage and the cables are not really supposed to flip around or something. I'm not sure, but that's the only thing I don't like. And we almost forgot one thing, this tiny little thing. It's a headphone jack. The OnePlus 6T doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, but it has USB-C, which is capable of a lot of things, including audio. So They supplied us with a nice headphone jack, in contrast to Apple, which forces you to buy one from them, like $40–50 or something. No, I'm not sure, but they're expensive. So, nice cover for the USB-C cable. Let's put that on the headphone cable jack. And let's connect the phone to the charger, because I don't think this is going to power up without a charger attached. Alright, there you go. Oh, it's already at 60. Well, then we just disconnect the charger and try again. Maybe I need to hold it down longer. Oh, there you go. OnePlus, powered by Android. Yeah, fortunately it is. Still very nice OnePlus boot animation. I like it. It's kind of play. Damn. It's already booted now. This is quick. Hi there. So I'm going to choose Dutch, because I'm in the Netherlands. Yeah, we'll go ahead. Sure. Yeah. I'll skip that one. I'll enter my Wi-Fi details. Yeah, I will not. Wait, I clicked on face data and it asked me for the pin code for my fingerprint. Well, alright. Oh yeah, it's going to add. Yeah, that's better. It was about to add the thing of the face. This is really cool. This is really cool. Cool. Well, let's just add another one. I can see my whole finger light up in green when I touch the sensor. Cool. Nice. No, thanks. Fair enough. Yeah, well, just go with standard, I guess. So I'm not sure what font I need to choose. I think I'll just go with the OnePlus. Never settle. Yeah, sure. Hidden spaces. Oh, like that. Okay, cool. Well, this is nice phone. Let's unlock it. Damn, that's quick. That's really quick. So there's a system update available, of course. So let's install that. So it's going to download. That's pretty quick, actually. So the time isn't really correct, but we will fix that. Is there a game modus? There is a game modus. What's the game modus? That's cool. It redirects some of the calls to the loudspeaker, and you can block and allow certain calls, I think. Nice. So let's just wait for the update to install. So it's asking to reboot, so let's reboot. Cool. So, what's that? Oh, pocket modus. Yeah, it's not allowing me to use the fingerprint, that's good. I must say the update was really quick. So yeah. System update available. Another one. Let's just install it. Oh no. So, why is... Oh. Cool. It says the battery isn't empty until 9 hours and 15 minutes. That's really quick and that's really long. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay, so let's check the time. I'm not sure where. Ah, there you go. Time. Oh wait, it isn't connected with the mobile network, so okay, cool. So now, this is the OnePlus 6T. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll hope to see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.